Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do the AI Polaroid photo trend. It's everywhere right now. The AI Polaroid photo trend is taking over TikTok, Instagram, and Reels. So if you want to learn how you can make your own viral AI Polaroid edits like this, you can do it with your family, with your bias like this, with your idols. So this tutorial will break it down step by step so you can join the trend and slay your feed with stunning retro aesthetic shots. Now what you need to do here is just one app, the Gemini application. You can actually do this on mobile by using the application, or you can also just do it on your PC using the website. So go to the Gemini applications here. So you need to prepare two photos and combine it together by using this prompt. So after the Gemini is open, you can just use this prompt on the text box. Sorry, I copy it from TikTok. So you need to use this prompt. Take a picture with a Polaroid camera. The photo should look like a normal photo without any clear subjects or props. And the photo should have a slight blur effect and a custom sunlight source such as flash from a dark room spread throughout the photo. Do not change the faces and replace the background behind two people with a white curtain, with the guy behind me hugging me. So you can change it if you don't want the hugging pose. You can just delete this, and then you can just click on this plus button and upload two photo of a different person. Go to the gallery and choose your photo. So I'm going to use these two photos right here. Click on done. So wait until the photo is uploaded. Now just click on this button to generate the result. You can just wait for a few seconds before the result is out. Now Gemini will generating the image. Okay, so here is the result. If you like with the result, you can just click on the photo and tap on this drop down to download it, or if you go back, you can see there will be this options whether or not you want to modify the result, like change the blur effect to be more subtle, adjust the lighting, or make the white curtain appear more textured. So that's pretty much all. Don't just scroll past the trend, create it now. Smash that like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Bye.